Om Namah students. Today we are going to learn the story The Proud Dragonfly. Students, have you seen dragonfly? See this picture. This is dragonfly. Children, this lesson is about the dragonfly. In this lesson, the dragonfly is very proud one. What is the meaning of proud? Proud means one's importance or showing high opinion. In this lesson, dragonfly is showing high opinion itself. Let's see what happened to the dragonfly in this story. The proud dragonfly. A blue dragonfly lives near a pond with his friends. He is a proud insect. One morning, as he was enjoying the sun sitting on a lotus leaf, a butterfly comes by. A blue dragonfly lives near a pond with his friends. Here the color of the dragonfly is blue. Lives near a pond. Pond. What is the meaning of pond? Pond is an area filled with water, either natural or artificial, that is smaller than lake. That is called pond. The dragonfly lives near a pond with his friends. Here the friends of the dragonfly are butterfly, ant, ladybug, bumblebee, beetle. They are living together near a pond. Okay. He is a proud insect. I am already told that it was a very proud insect. One morning, as he was enjoying the sun sitting on a lotus leaf, a butterfly comes by. One morning, dragonfly was very happy and enjoying the sun sitting on a lotus leaf. At that time, his friend comes. His friend butterfly comes. Hello butterfly, you look sad. Is it because my wings shine in the sun? What? Why should I feel sad? I know that I am a very beautiful and colorful insect. He said, hello butterfly, you look sad. You look worried. Because my wings shine in the sun. Wings. What is the usage of wings? For flying purpose, the birds or insects used wings. He said, you looked worried because my wings reflected so brightness in the sun. Butterfly replies, what? Why should I feel sad? Why should I feel worry about that? I know that I am a very beautiful and colorful insect. Students, have you seen butterfly? Yes, it is very colorful and look so adorable insect. Then an ant speaks as he is on his way to his ant hill, carrying food for the winter. He is on his way to his ant hill. Ant hill means the nest that ant built out of sand called ant hill. Carrying food. Carrying means move one place to another place. So he moved from one place to another place to storing the food for the winter season. Dragonfly comes and said, ant, you poor little fellow. Children, have you seen ant? Yes, it is very small. So the dragonfly said, you poor small fellow, you have to pass to other side on your weaker legs all day. You have to walk around on your thin legs all day. Thin means weaker or narrow. Thin legs all day. You don't have beautiful shiny wings like mine. How sad. Ant replies, surely you can find some work to do, can't you? All that you do all day is to sit there and feel so proud of yourself. As he already insists his proudness with Butterfly, what he said, I have beautiful shiny wings, but you don't have like mine. Now he again talked about his proudness with Ant, that I have beautiful shiny wings, but you don't have like mine. How sad. Next class, we will see what the dragonfly talked to some other insects. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.